Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I want to discuss on the newly added tags on the Zenchain testnet, which is the blockchain quest that we are going to be using on the platform to try as much as we can to see that we are eligible and know the nooks and crannies for the blockchain. Without further ado, as we can see, we have 20 newly added quests. As prior videos I have discussed about the 5 completed text onboarding tasks that we have done. So right now we have two categories. We have blockchain and we have social. In social, basically we use the Twitter to write threads or content creation and other interaction that we have been doing inside the Discord channel. So by the way guys, I want to insist that you must be engaging in the Discord channel so that your role will increase, and also try as much as you can to see that you are not being left behind, because it is all about quest, as you know. So let's take the look at the blockchain section first. I click on the blockchain. You see there are two quests, as I said. We have deploy smart contract, and also we have transfer. For the smart contract, we definitely need to go to the resources and look for the GitHub page where we can fetch the boilerplate templates or the source code and modify for our own purpose. And for the purpose of this video, I want to just make sure that we stick to the simpler one, which is the transfer. We have a POSIT platform. Also, there is a POSIT for this particular blockchain, which we can use to fetch the tokens so that we can transfer either to a friend or to our own wallet that we have created for the purpose of this one. And you know, adding a wallet is very simple, and it is recommended that you use the same address or maybe EVM wallet. So in my case, I have two wallets. Let me open up my MetaMask, because MetaMask sometimes did not allow for the screen to be recorded. Therefore, maybe I should look for the other way around. Let me pause the video first. By the way, this is the tokens that I have fetched from the platform, which is 1,000, and they have nominated it to $155. Remember, there is 203 seed or funding seed that this project has already gathered for the purpose of the blockchain, and more is coming on the way. So probably this is going to be a very huge project, and it is worth participating in. Therefore, without further ado, I will use the testnet wallet number 1. You see, I have a wallet number 1 and I have a wallet number 2 here. So I will send part of my token, which is 1,000, to this wallet 2. Let me go back to the wallet 1. I have copied the address already before I started the video. Let me try and see if I can send it. So I will use the send button and now paste the address for the wallet 2. Yeah, so you see they are on the same network, and I will choose how much I'm going to send. Right now I will send just 100 out of the 1,000 I have, which is equivalent to $15 domi. It is not worth enough. Yes. So there is something that I want you to take note about. There will be a requirement for you to copy the transaction ID for this particular transaction, because it is the one that is going to be used to make sure that this quest is already done by you. So now the transaction is submitted. We are waiting for the confirmation, and we can see if it has been mined. Then we will go to the Explorer, copy the transaction ID, go back to the quest, and open up the page where we are going to issue the transaction page. So we are right now inside of the wallet number 1. So Now the transaction is completed. Now the validators has mined the transaction. Let me use this three dots and see if I can watch out for the explorer. So there is an explorer for the blockchain, definitely. So I will use the address that I have used and copy and paste it inside this place, or I will just because I have already come from the same wallet that I'm using. Let me see. This is the transaction. The transaction block is 1237. You see, 1237,414. And if I come and click on this block, if I click on the block, I will see the transaction detail, the size, the timestamp, and the transaction, the validator that have mined the transaction, and all the parameters that have taken place after I have mined the transaction or I have sent the transaction. There is 12 transaction in this block, and let me try as much as I can to see that it is not the block that I use, but the transaction. Okay, so there are 12 blocks, with each block containing a particular transaction. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So you see there are 11 block. So if we hit back, we will see that my first wallet have sent the 100 token into this wallet's account, and here is the transaction hash, which is in other words the transaction ID. Now I will tap on the transaction hash, and now the name has has appeared. So this is the one that we'll copy. In this edge there is a copy button. When you tap it, you'll see the notification that now you copied the transaction. So now let's go back to the page. When we go back to the page, you'll see that we are in a coin transfer. So we hit this arrow. This is the transaction hash column that we will use to paste our transaction. So here we are going to paste our transaction in this button, the transaction hash that we copied from the explorer. So when you hold and paste, this is the transaction hash. We will say complete. Now you see we want to be verified as not being bot. So now we will be checking the crosswalk using the captcha or whatever they call it. So I said done. Now the quest is completed and I have claimed my own 250 points. For the next episode, we will pick something that is very simple inside the category of social, and later when we have some enough research, we will see how we can deploy a smart contract, because the testnet is now even gathering momentum, and also the staking platform is now active, and also the validators are coming off and on, but steady. This is the very interesting project. We need to invest our time and energy inside of the quest. If you haven't followed my channel in the Telegram, you will be much interested and getting more update when you go to the Telegram and search my channel. It is called decentralized tech. When you go to the Telegram, there is a decentralized tech that we have been giving update about so many projects, more especially the testnet. So I'll leave the description, the link for the channel in the description, and also the link for you to register and start doing the testnet on this. And remember, there is also other links for the testnet, which is humanity and other important and well-funded project that you can participate. Thank you for watching. See you later.